came into the casualty with chief complaints of fever and cough since 3 days. So again, we had the same procedure of making the patient comfortable and checking his vitals. Then we sent a sample for CBP, which came out to be normal. So since he wasn't willing to get admitted, we discharged him with giving a symptomatic treatment, which is Todo for his fever and Ascoril for his cough. Since it wasn't a dry cough, we gave him Ascoril D for 5 days, and we asked him to get a review after 5 days.